Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. Today we're cooking up a meatloaf log roll at the pit, and it's easy to do. All right, these are breakfast sausages. They're pre-cooked. You'll find them in the frozen food section. You got to chop them up. And here we've got some ground chuck, 80% lean, 20% fat. That's the perfect ratio you want. And here we're going to season it up. We're using our SPG. Use some salt and pepper or what seasonings you prefer. Here we're taking that breakfast sausage, putting them on top. Here we've got some bacon cooking on the side with some peppers. Add some onion. You cook them down just a little bit. Don't overcook them, right? Now, we're going to take this saute here, and we're going to add it to the flattened out ground beef. You get the picture. I mean, we're talking pizza here. Here we've got some minced garlic. You can add it. This is like a pizza, right? Add what you want. Here we've got some shredded mozzarella cheese. Use your favorite cheese. Cheddar would work. And here we're adding some starch or potato chips. A little more fat, a little bit of salt content in there. Goes real nice with those meatloaves, right? Just like Mama's traditional meatloaf. Now, here's the fun part. Get the kids together. This is why they're going to be asking it for this meatloaf roll a couple times a week. Because it's all about the roll. You just start rolling. You all know how to roll now, right? Simple. Now, if the ground chuck or ground beef is slightly chilled, this will make it a little bit easier, right? And just keep rolling. Oh, man, you know what's going to happen here. This gets on your kettle grill or in your oven. That cheese will melt throughout. Now, this is the bacon part. Going to take 3 or 4, 5 strips of bacon. That's all. You don't want to completely roll it in bacon, right? And now we're going to take it to the grill. The grill is set up for about 325 degrees Fahrenheit. We're cooking indirect, using the grill like an oven. And this won't take long to do with about a 2.5 pound loaf. All right. And in the miracle of time, this looks just about done. We're going to make it look real pretty. Now, you can present this any way you want, but here we've got some chopped up fresh garden tomatoes on there. Ooh. And we're going to add a little more shredded cheese. Put it on top. And we're going to let it melt. It'll only take a few more minutes. And I'd say this is done. Now, you want to check the internal temperature. You want to be up there about 170 degrees Fahrenheit. After all, it is ground beef, right? And we're going to pull it off the grill. Lord have mercy. Can you smell that? It smells good. Oh. Now let it rest for a little bit. Makes it easier to slice. And this is what you're going to end up with. This is a kid's favorite, no matter what age you are. Man. And if you like more recipes like that, start a chapter with us. Go to our website. Oh, man. I'm telling you. You better make a couple of these. Go real good on a sandwich for lunch the next day, if you know what I mean. Look at that. Of course, you could serve up this bacon meatloaf log roll any way you want, even on a fancy-ass plate. But this is about the best you can do right here. You gotta check. Oh, it's good. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.